Hey guys, JB here. Excited you're with me as always. This is more of a community than a channel, and I would love to hear more from you in the comments down below. It's the first of the year, we're getting started, and I have some new things to talk about today, and that is I'm looking for a new shaker. So if you're into protein and drinking protein, this is the original kind of shaker, right? It's the blender ball. You put the ball in there and you shake it up, and then you have like the old steel aluminum ones where you put the plastic shaker in there, right? We all remember that. These are all old and getting beat up. In fact, you can see how old this one is. This one is just really beat up. So I decided to go out and look for some new types. So I got this new ShakeSphere shaker. It looks like a bullet. This was $24 on Amazon. So we're going to try this one, okay? And we'll see how it goes and see if it shakes better. And you know, a lot of times proteins get a little clumpy. So we're going to try that out and see how it works. Just unboxing it, it came in a bag. Looks pretty good. Some instructions here. I'll wash it off first before we do. Tumbler, original. Oh, they got steel too. This one's actually plastic, which is a little bit of a view on it. I believe I paid $24.99 for that. Okay, so we're going to try that one. And then we have the NitraPro. This one was about $40. Built for hygiene, durability, and style. This one actually stainless steel, rose gold here. Kind of a cool color. Let's take it, see what's inside. Okay, this has a strainer inside, nothing else. So it's got a strainer in there. So that's made to shake like that, where this has got like a bullet shape, and this has got indentation. So these are not the cheapest shakers out there, NitraPro and ShakeSphere, but I want to try them out and see how good they are compared to the old school stuff. So let me wash these. Let's get some protein in them and let's give it a shot. Okay, we're back. They are washed and filled with water. This one is a little bit bigger. This is 16 ounce, and I believe the bullet one is, actually this is bigger. This is 24 ounces, 18. Yeah, I think this is about 24 ounces, a little bit thicker. But I put about 12 ounces of water in each of them. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is we're going to get a protein out. Okay, and the protein that I'm currently using is Muscle Feast. This is actually isolate, which is a pretty good mixer. So this should mix pretty good. We shouldn't have too much of a problem. I should have some clumpy stuff because sometimes these protein powders really are clumpy. And I've been having trouble keeping weight on. I just don't eat as much as I used to. So I know that's not a problem for everybody, but it is a problem for me. And that's why I have my reminder every day at 3 o'clock I do one protein shake. I'm actually going to do a scoop in each, and we'll see how it goes here. We'll shake them both up and give it a shot. So this is the ShakeSphere. So this slides this way to lock, but that wouldn't be good if it... Okay, that's just a holder there. Okay, I can see it. It's clear in there. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's give this one a shake. Shake it, shake it. Was that a song? Shake it like a Polaroid picture. I better not say that. I might get a copyright strike, right? So we're shaking, shaking. This one's a shaker. Okay, so we'll let that sit for 1 minute. Typically, I let them sit for just a second, let the foam kind of die down. Okay, here goes this one. Okay, we got it on. Okay, we're going to shake it. Okay, they both shake pretty good. I mean, they better. This is a $40 shaker, $24 shaker. Okay, these are obviously a lot cheaper than my old ones. So let's go ahead and shake it, shake it. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, and this one, ShakeSphere, shake that pretty good. Let me make sure. Okay, you can kind of see it in there. That's pretty good. And the good thing is, on this one you can kind of see it because it's clear on that side, so you can kind of see it's ready to go. So that was good. That one did pretty good. And then we just push this back. Good to go. That one works pretty good. Nothing left. The shape, I think, really helps. If this one works good, I think I'm going to end up getting a steel one. So I do like the shape of that. Okay, let's take a look inside of this one. This one I can't see inside, but it looks pretty good. It looks pretty shaken up, pretty good. I think these are both going to work pretty good. Okay, so this one, okay, that comes off like that. Let's try it. Two protein shakes in a row. I'm gonna be huge after this. I don't think I'm ever getting huge. Okay, let's see. A little bit at the bottom. I think because that has that screen in it. So that gets out. Still a little bit down there. Cool shape. Dishwasher friendly. I can see how that can work. Kind of a cool color. It's different. I like it. But I do like this design. This ShakeSphere. It just mixes well. It's like a little bullet. Actually just works pretty good. ShakeSphere shaker. So, out of the two, I probably will use this ShakeSphere more. They have a metal one, $60. Pretty expensive for a shaker, but this one goes at $24 at the time of this recording. Can see on both sides, which is a nice feature. It is plastic, which is a little bit of an issue, but steel is good. This one was $40. Again, this is called the NitraPro. Good shaker. It works. I think it's fine. Again, it's steel. This is really meant to be more hygienic, so I'll have to keep you posted on cleanliness. One of the problems with these things is they do get pretty nasty. I dishwasher mine. I use a high temperature dishwasher to do it. That's why these get beat up so bad. You can see how beat up that is. But we'll see how that goes. I just wanted to try out a couple tumblers, shakers, I guess these would be called. What do we call them? Tumbler, shaker, kind of same thing. I actually like this ShakeSphere design a little bit better. I think it's gonna work better. What do you think in the comments down below? This one looks cooler, but this one shakes a little bit better. I think it just works because it, the rounded bottom, it just is a cool, just the size, everything about it just works. All right, cool. Well, as always, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'm gonna keep bringing you more videos here on the channel. As always, a little shaker comparison. Maybe you're looking for a new protein shaker to start the new year. If so, awesome, some options here. I would give this ShakeSphere a try. This is pretty cool little shaker here. You wanna try something new. All right, thanks so much. Until the next video, go have a great one, and we'll see you later. Neo's hanging in here with us today on the GoPro. How you doing, Neo? How's everything going, all right? As we're filming in here, there's Neo in the kitchen. He's watching everything that's going on. He's always in the kitchen. What are you doing in here? What's going on, huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? Fun stuff.